Hi, this is Rich with Geographic Enterprises. This video we're going to show you how to create reports for territories that you have created. So the first thing you want to do is go to Geography Selection, and then we're going to add an existing site or area, and that's within the Geography tab. So I'm going to click the Add Existing Site Area button. And the first thing you're going to see typically is your My Markets group. What we're going to want to do is, if you have created a territory, we're going to open that up, and all of your owned groups generally are going to be territories. So let me scroll down and find the demo set that I'm going to use, and that's Tampa Franchise. And then I'm just going to add the territories that I want to get the report for. So I can just grab one, or I can grab several of them. I'll just grab 2 through 5 in this example. I'm going to add those to my area. And then what I'll do is I'll jump over to the Analysis tab, and I can go ahead and select a report. First and foremost, what I want to do is make sure that my geography level matches my territories. So right now my level is set to zip polygon. The default setting is counties. And I know my territories are at the zip level, so I want to leave those at the zip polygon level. So I can go ahead and get a report from here, or if I'd like, I can go in directly to my map and make some adjustments to my map so those show up on the reports that I create. So those areas that I was selecting are already on my map, so I'm going to zoom right into that area here. And I can see the outline of my 4 territories. What I'll do first is turn on my zip code boundaries and my zip numbers. So now I have my zip boundaries and my zip numbers displayed. I can take that a step further and create a thematic map. So if I want to see a distribution of population, businesses, income, I can do that quite easily here. So let's take a look at that, and I'll go ahead and select a variable here. So let's make sure my geographic level on the report matches what I have on the map. So we'll do zip polygon again, and then I'll select a thematic variable. So in this case, let's just grab something simple here, and let's just take a look at income. So I'll go down to income, averages and medians, median household income. I'll grab that. And I also might want to change my color sequence. We'll just do the standard yellow to green. And let's just do 4 equal class counts. So it's just going to give us 4 ranges in our legend. I'll go ahead and hit OK. If you want to add additional thematic overlays like a dot density map, you can do that. But for this example, I think we're fine just to see this income display. So now I've got my income ranges. I've got my legend over here that tells me what each range indicates, each color indicates rather. And then now let's go get a report. So to do that, I can get a report on all 4 of these areas simultaneously. And I'm just going to go up here to my markets menu, run a report for markets. So now I have my run report window up. My selected markets are here. Let's say I just want to change it up and not have one of these run. So I can just, let's back rep number 4 out. I can pick any of my subscribed reports. All my custom reports are going to be stored here down towards the bottom of my list. For this example, I'm just going to use the custom component detail. And all my parameters have already been set. It's remembered those from earlier in my session. But let's just make a couple changes to those, and I'll click OK. I'm going to go ahead and launch my report. If I want to change my title, I can do that. But let's just launch the report now. Now my report is complete. Let's go ahead and view that. So here's my report. I've got Rep Area 2 displayed with a smaller reference map, and I have a list of all the zip codes that are within that territory. Rep 3, my list of zips, and then Rep 5. And the list of zips. So if you want to send this report to somebody, you can just click the email button. And remember, it's going to send all 3 areas in this one report. So if you want to just send one area, to rerun that report just with that single area selected, and then type in a to, a subject, a message, and you can send that report right off to them, and it's going to show up as a hyperlink in their email. And if you also need to download this report, you can click the download data button, open this up in Excel, and bear with me here, it was on my other screen. And now I have my report. So I've got Rep 2, Rep 3, and Rep 5, all the zip codes and the corresponding data. So that wraps up the process of creating and reporting on territories in GeoMetrx. Thank you for your time.